Hello friends! Thank you for checking this video out. So bikes, toys for the big boys. We can't get enough of them, and we can't stop ourselves from customizing and accessorizing them. I'm not one really to spend too much on these things. I like to keep it simple and classy. Near stock actually. But it has to have some character, some uniqueness to it. So today I tried something with my bike. I painted it. I know it's crazy and one should hire a pro to do these kinds of upgrade or some huge change. Be the bike and most definitely if it's a car. Anyway, I thought I'd DIY it. Something I have done before, and yes, the outcome before was not really good, so I learned from them. And if I'm scaring you too much with what I'm doing here, to lower your concern, I'm using rubber paint. And for those not familiar with rubber paint, it's not permanent and it can easily be removed. And so I ordered online these two cans of rubber paint, one in black and one in clear coat, and I chose the glossy kind. So let's go and paint the bike. But before moving on, I had to test it to a small portion first before going crazy with the tank and the rest of the bike. We have to see if the rubber paint reacts to the original paint. If it adheres properly, does it bubble, does it run? Had to check all these out before proceeding. As usual with any paint job, the preparation is very tedious, but very important. Good thing with the rubber paint, if you overspray, you can just wipe it with a chamois or any clean cloth. My plan here is to apply at least 5 coats of the black glossy paint. Then cover it with a minimum of 3 layers of the clear coat to make it more durable. All the glossy parts of the original paint must go and be coated with the rubber paint to have a uniform look, of course. After a few coats, the rubber paint is beginning to reveal this new look. Although I was not sure if I was liking it. Yes, this early in the process, I was having doubts about the outcome. And since I do not have a covered area to do my painting, I had to deal with some occasional dust and some insects flying around and sticking to the paint. At this point, I was having some trouble trying to even out the rubber paint because some parts are really glossy while some are just matte and flat. I kept it under the sun and waited for several hours and waited if the paint would even out. After a few hours of baking under the sun, this is how she looks now. So, okay, I don't know if it was a totally wrong decision to even try to paint the bike on my own. But I guess if I had chosen flat black instead of glossy, the outcome might be a little different. And maybe the glossy clear coat did not help either. If I decided to go flat black, perhaps I could have stuck to it and try to show it to friends and see how they feel about the change. And I know I might have made some mistakes on the application of the paint too. Please comment below so that I can improve on this if ever I decide to do it again. As I mentioned earlier, using rubber paint is not permanent and it can easily be removed as long as you apply it properly. Good thing this rubber paint did not harm the clear top coat of the original paint. So there, back to where we started. Classy and near stock, just the way I like it. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, folks.